making this video because I got a Be Kind by Ellen box. And I got it for Christmas from my mom's fiance, Dave. So thanks, Dave. And it just came. So I know my mom's already going to ask me what's in it, whatever. So I thought I'd make this video so I can send it to her, but also so other people can know. Because I think it's fun, and I have watched these videos before on YouTube of people opening Be Kind boxes, so I hope for the best. But here's the box in all its glory. This is how it came. Like, it wasn't in another box, so kind of cute. But if you're into like discretion, like package discretion, like if they bought this for Christmas and it got shipped to the house, I would have seen it and be like, "Ooh, that's for me," because who else would it be for? So, okay, so now I'm gonna unbox it. I just undid the little tape. Ooh, pretty. Look at this. I'm recording on my phone and my camera because I don't know which one's gonna turn out, but look it. It is so pretty. Oh my god. So this is what we got going on. I literally can't tell if it's focused. This lens is kind of screwed up, so we're just gonna go with it. But okay, so we have this. It's the 2019 holiday edition. Can you see that? You definitely can. It says 2019 holiday edition. So hi, it's me, Ellen. Hi, Ellen. Happy anniversary. Can you believe, I was gonna say what the heck, but can you believe it's been a year since I shipped the first Be Kind box? That's right, I do the boxing, packing, and shipping. Whether this is your first box or you've been a subscriber since day one, thank you for subscribing. I love finding incredible brands, making a difference in the world, and I especially love sharing them with all of you. I'd also like to say hello to my new premium subscribers. I have some amazing surprises in store for you, so get ready. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. What's in the box? So I guess this just kind of like tells you what's in it. So there's a hand-woven scarf. Tribe Alive. The scarf is handmade just for you. As a subscriber, you've helped support the woman who crafted it. That's cool. Holy crap, it's worth $128. That's kind of a lot. Be Kind wrapping paper. Well, that kind of sucks because Christmas is over, but we can use it next year. Blah, blah, blah. Marie May Company. I custom designed this. Oh, a planner. That's good because I didn't get one yet. How cool is that? She custom designed it. Blah, blah, blah. Skinny dipped. Dark chocolate almonds. Need I say more? You should probably eat these while you look through the rest of your box. Honestly, I might. Able. Hashtag she's worth more cuff. I really hope this is focused. Sorry if it's not. This lens is broken. Okay. By wearing this cuff, you supported the female artisans who crafted it for you and help encourage their fair wages. In the fashion industry, low wages are all too common. Cool. Cocoa Floss Be Kind 4-pack. Did you finish those almonds already? Don't worry, I got you some floss, but not just any floss. I made this custom 4-pack with cocoa floss exclusively for my subscribers. Okay. Grounds and Hounds. At Grounds and Hounds, every cup saves a pup. Well, that is freaking adorable. You know I love that, and not just because it rhymes. They donated a bunch of toys, and there's a discount code. Oh, I got a travel size hair straightener. No hair, no problem. Grab that wrapping paper and you just check something off your gift list. Okay. Cool. So, next we have Happy Holidays from the Ellen Shop. We know holiday shopping can be stressful, so we wanted to make my phone because I don't know if this is working. I bought this lens for $50 used online, and it's worth like more than $100. It was probably a bad decision, but whatever, and it doesn't really work. So to my phone. Okay, so I got 30% off my next Ellen Shop purchase. That's cool. Goodness by the handful, skinny dipped. These are the almonds. Oh, it's a mom and daughter team. And I get 20% off my next order. Ooh, this is the planner, I think. Oh, it's like hardcover. Hello, beautiful. This is your new Be Kind planner. With this customized and ooh, I see you, Ellen. Eco-friendly little book. I'll help you find kindness in your daily life. Oh, there's 52 acts of kindness for you to try out. Did you know by holding this journal, you're already helping? That's right. Oh, I've helped provide business training to women at Marine May Business School. Oh, these are the things. Oh, this is like a really good little planner. There's like lots of space to write notes and everything. So that's cool. Love it. Okay, what? I don't like want to unwrap anything. It's just so cute. I think this is a scarf. Yes. Ooh, and this bag is recyclable. There are the almonds. Love that. This is the wrapping paper. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. There's like a lot. So I guess I'll use that next year. And, oh. How do I open this? What is, oh, this is the floss. 21-day flossing challenge. Yeah, I don't floss, so this will be good for me. I will floss every day for 21 days pledge. That's funny. Oh, it's like flavored floss. Cocoa floss with coconut oil. Recycled paper, cruelty free. That's cool. So there's pure strawberries, fresh coconuts, Cara Cara orange, and delicious mint. So that's pretty cool. And the packaging and everything, it's just really cute. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is the bracelet, I think. Oh, cute. It's just like a gold bangle. That's actually really cool. What does it say? Oh, sorry, it wasn't even filming right. It's carved into it, says she's worth more. That's really cute. And that's actually good because for my birthday I got gold hoops, and I've always been a silver jewelry gal, but I really like these gold hoops, but I wear a silver necklace, so I kind of wanted to get some more gold jewelry so I could mix and it wouldn't look weird. So this is good. So now I have that. And put that right there. And this is the travel platform, which is cool. I don't really straighten my hair too much, but sometimes you can straighten the frizzies so they're not so frizzy anymore. Sorry, I just got an email. And it's nice because it's small, and you can always have it if someone else needs it too. But like, that's kind of cool that it's so mini. Like, it's this tiny little box. Anyways, now we have coffee. Ooh, brownie toasted walnut fun. How this brew benefits rescue. That is so cool. Let's open it up. So, medium roast, paper and slippers. And then there's like a little card in there. Sip coffee, save pups. It's really cute. And I get 20% off. Yum.
I always just buy coffee at Dunkin', but I've never really roasted my own, so I would like to do that because it's probably way better. But you know, okay, cool. So I think that's all that's in here. I'm gonna try an almond right now. Gluten. Oh no. Oh, here, where's my scissors? Ooh. Oh, I got chocolate all over myself already. Mmm, these are yummy. Very yummy. So that's cool. Should I open? Ooh, it's pretty. It's like thick. And I don't know. It's cool though. So you can definitely tell it's like woven. And I like it. And it's white, so it'll match everything. I think my favorite thing is probably either the bracelet or the planner or the almonds or all of it. I mean, all of it is pretty cool, but I'm definitely gonna use the planner because I didn't buy one and I need one, so that's pretty good. How handy. But yeah, so this is my Be Kind unboxing. Here it all is. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it's not too, sorry, I have to keep walking over to the mirror so I can look and focus it. I hope you liked my unboxing. Hope it was helpful or cool. I like Ellen, and I really like the Be Kind box. I've always wanted one. I almost bought one like a while ago, but it's like $50-$60, and I'm like, I don't even know what's in it, so it's like, but I like it. I'm so glad I finally got one. So, thanks.